So I'm going to be singing a song called Ach ich fühl's. It's from an opera called Die Zauberflöte, or The Magic Flute, and it's written by Mozart. Yay, Mozart. I guess I'll give you a really quick backstory of what it's about. So this girl, this princess, Palmina, she gets, well, okay, really quick. Okay, she's in love with this guy. This guy, for this particular reason, is not allowed to talk to her. He can't talk at all, just because of these trials. That's Tamina. And so, they're madly in love with each other, but she can't. He's not talking to her, and so she's freaking out. She's like, why isn't he talking to me? Does he not love me anymore? And so this song is about, her heart breaking and how she just wants to die, basically. Okay. I think we're good. Okay, go ahead.